Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This is one of those packages that doesn't have any information about who sent it on the front. So we're going to find out together. As per usual, if it's something that you can pick up, I will link it right down in the description so that you can check it out along with additional specs and things like that. Thanks to my patrons who are supporting me. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, what do we got? Probably just one box in here, yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, oh, yes, okay. So, as of the moment, remember, I do these blind, completely blind. So I don't know, it's just memory of a small conversation. I think that, what did I just do here? Did I cut nothing? It's just memory of a brief conversation I had with Kunwu about the new Tao. So if it's in pre-order or if it's something you can get, I don't know. Whatever information is available, I'll link it right down below. But it looks like what we've got here is the X-Tao. A long time ago, look at all this. Hey, look at all this stuff. There we go. Tools, very nice. An extra pocket clip. Love seeing that. The first Tao I had a very good experience with. I do not know if this is fully completed production. Oh, right off the bat, I very much like this. Let's go ahead and, oh yeah. Ooh, yeah. What? Noises. Oh, that's cool. Oh, man. What do we have here? What's going on? Is this like an Axis? Has to be. Has to be. Feels just like a... I'm looking for anything. I'm assuming there are Omega springs in there. We have these little metal... This feels really good. The angle of these, see how they're angled like this? Look at that, how they did the titanium there. Ooh, boy, yeah. LMAX, first production 190 of 400. So there we go. This is full production. Looks like limited to 400 pieces. We have a fully flat ground satin finished blade. Boy, that is nice. This is very, very smooth, guys. Very smooth. Oh, man. So normally, I'm not a big fan of thumb triangles or thumb tetrahedrons or whatever, but these are in the right place and they are angled perfectly for your fingers. So it feels extremely natural. On top of that, this has very similar handle lines or ergonomic lines to the original Tao, or at least the Tao that I handled. And those lines were very good, coupled with this sort of modified wire clip thing that we've seen, many variations of. This is pretty, knocked down or rounded or radius or whatever. I mean, it's like a paper clip, right? So it's not very, it's not one of those things that's going to create much of a hot spot. I've always been kind of middle of the road on clips like this, right? But they do function well and they don't create much of a hot spot. They just can sometimes look off with the design. And I got to say, it doesn't look like it was, it is the one thing that stands out on this design. It's fine though. There's nothing wrong with it. The action is very good. I really like the way that they did that. I mean, it's very familiar. I mean, anybody who's handled a Benchmade knife, right? Or the Ritter Hogue, or however many, the Able Lock from SOG, or whatever else we've got out there, right? Gonzo, just doing it forever anyway, even though at the time the patent hadn't ended. But yeah, this is a nice way. The patent has ended on that, by the way, so this is okay for them to do that. But, wow. Yeah, that's really cool. Really, really cool. I'm a big fan of this right off the bat. I love that we have the full titanium scales mixed with this sort of, I don't know what he's calling or what they are calling the lock. Let's see. Do we have a thing here? It has just information on who to contact for service. So, kunwuknives.com, service at kunwuknives.com. I don't know what they call the lock. Kunwu X-Tao. So, this, of course, is not a review. This is just an unboxing and first impressions, but the first impressions are very good. Very, very good. Love this. Do we have milling? Do we have any milling on the inside? I think there's a steel cartridge liner in there of some sort. Yeah, you can see actually a line right there. Is that... Well, I'm going to have to take it apart at some point because I'm going to need to know what's going on in there. I would imagine it just has to do with the housing of the internals for, you know, that you can see it right there actually. Let's zoom up. There we go. Okay. Right there, can we see an Omega spring or the slot for it? Yeah, I think so. Right in there, I think you can see it. So it's probably somewhat similar to how, you know, Benchmade has that set up for access upon disassembly. I'm just throwing words around at this point. This is nice though. Very cool. Very nice evolution of the Tao, which was a great design. I don't know when I handled that 2 or 3 years ago. But yeah, very much like this. So I'll link anything that I can right down in the description so you guys can check this out. Don't know if it's available now or if it's coming or pre-order. I don't know. I just, you know, generally these, if you guys wonder how these conversations go, it's like, hey, do you want to check this out? I either have this or it's coming or, you know, whatever. And I go, yeah, sure. And then that's pretty much it. So the detailed information, all of that, you know, you can either get that from the link that I'll provide down below, or you can wait for the review, which will come here in, you know, 3 to 4 weeks, something like that. So anyways, thank you very much to Kunwu for sending this in for me to take a look at. Very cool. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on the Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.